Hey everybody, Dan here, stockmarketmentor.com, and hope you guys had a good week. The market did, so hopefully you all participated as well. I want to look at a couple stocks in the solar group because I could say some stupid thing like, oh, because the sun's really shining on them or something like that. But the bottom line is they look good, okay? I'll leave the quips to somebody else who's wittier than I am. So here's what I want you to look at, though. So check out the pattern here on First Solar. Okay, now, how about Array? They look the same. Tan also looks, not Tina. Tan also looks the same with respect to the last couple of weeks, but you look at these two and they give you a better sense of what's happening here. So I like both of these names. You can see how this has been stair-stepping higher. This is not a stock that you want to be buying on Monday. After how many days in a row has it gone up? 6 days in a row this thing's been moving. And so while it might move a seventh, I think you just got to be patient and watch this. Know that it is still under accumulation. It is still working its way higher. But this is not exactly a smooth uptrend. You kind of have to look at the weekly chart and see what's going on. So this is one of these stocks where I'll just tell you, if you buy it on Tuesday because you're watching this video, you're not really listening to what I'm saying. I'm telling you to watch this, wait for a better entry, perhaps in the next week or two or whatever it is, and does it really matter? You want to get the stock closer to the 50-day moving average. At some point, it will reach the 50-day moving average. That's a mathematical certainty. But another stock you may want to take a look at is Array. This is a pretty interesting setup here because the stock has really kind of formed this cup and handle pattern here. A nice little pullback and then a return. You can look at this handle here. Oh, it failed, which happens, and then we're going to get this slingshot move up. You can look at it that way, or you just look at the whole thing as one big drifty thing on fairly low volume. Now we're seeing volume starting to pick up here on this move, and so we're looking for more of a move up to $30. Do I think it can get up to 30? Yeah, I do. I would just want to wait until the stock broke through this line. If it breaks through, we'll say $24. You want to buy it right around here and then ride that puppy to 30 and call it a day. Anyway, that's all I got for you. I will be on Fox Business on Tuesday morning, my time on the Pacific Coast at 11 o'clock Pacific and 2 o'clock Eastern time. With Charles Payne. So I look forward to that. I've only been on Charles's show, I think, twice before. So anyway, looking forward to it, and hopefully you will turn in.